The thing about success is that it's skill-based. What do we know about skills? If you work at them, if you practice them and develop them, eventually you get really good. And when you start, you suck. But then, if you do the right things, what happens? You get great results, right? And that's exactly what happened to us after 1 week of training with a 4-man sled. That's us there, pushing off the top of the hill with the 7th fastest start time. So we did lots of right things learning how to push. We didn't do enough right things learning how to drive. So if you don't do enough right things, you get what? Lousy results. So we crashed. You saw it in the video earlier. We crashed, and that's us there trying to leave the exit stage left. So there are so many lessons that I believe connect all of these slides, but for sure, the biggest one is this idea, this philosophy of keep on pushing. Now, what is that, you may ask? Obviously, it has a bobsled analogy. That's how we start the race. We push the thing. But it's not one massive push, as you might think. It's actually a process. You see, a 4-man sled weighs almost 650 pounds. So yes, at the outset, you need a massive amount of energy to get it going. But once you have accomplished that, you have to continue the process. You have to keep on pushing in order to build momentum, because remember, the goal is to reach maximum speed in as short a time as possible. Keep on pushing also speaks to this idea of persistence. There are always going to be obstacles between us and our goals, and you have to find a way to push those obstacles out of the way, or find a way to push yourself over, around, or through them. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time we post a new video. And don't forget, share it with your friends, man. They want to be inspired as well, right? So share it. Don't keep it. And before you go on to the next video, visit my website, www.devonharris.com. Keep on pushing.